You dey fight?
Yes.
Stupid man. You're a very useless man. You're not even ashamed of yourself.
I don't want to see you for this house.
Why won't I come back here? Why won't I come back here?
Back to where?
I and you are the owner of this house. I don't state if I will come back or not. You hear me? I and you are the owner of this house. And there's nothing you can do about it. Useless man. Idiot.
Idiot.
Why you doing this now? Yes, you are idiot.
Make I bring this to you. My tissue. And I want tissue. This man.
Don't fight woman, a woman.
Yusuf.
Madam, please, no first.
Yusuf.
What's going on?
No, not your guy.
Why do you my wife like that?
I dey settle the matter. Madam, please, no first. Sorry, please. Sir?
With my wife.
No.
Yusuf.
Okay, no first.
I say make my wife.
Sir?
Oh my God, now who calling me going here now? Oh my God.
Now, my car is set, sir.
I dey tell your stuff stand.
No, this one no sound.
Your stuff stand.
No, sir.
My wife back.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
She's lady and I don't stand. My own wife.
Yes.
Stop stand your dick.
I'll be your papa.